Do you have trouble when you are trying to move a file somewhere, or a picture, or a video, or something is not opening right as it's supposed to? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your corrupted files or any other issue your Windows may have using command prompt. Welcome to PC Power Tips. To open command prompt, on Windows search, press one time, type CMD. You're gonna find it on search results here. Right click with the mouse, run as administrator, yes, and you're gonna have this window. Let's make it a little bigger to be visible. Alright, in this place here where it's flicking this white dot here, type chkdsk space /f, press enter, and he's gonna ask you, cannot run now because Windows is started, you are using it, yes or no? And he's asking you if you want this operation to be done next time you are restarting your computer. Type on keyboard on letter Y and press enter. I'm gonna press no because I don't want the check to be done. I already done it. Enter, close this window and restart your computer to complete the process. After the restart, the scan will run automatically and fix any corrupted files it can find. And that's it. You have successfully fixed your corrupted files on your Windows PC using command prompt. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick PC power tips.